Hello everyone, my name is Richard Nance and I sell used trucks. Today I present to you a 2020 Mack Anthem. This truck has a 226 wheelbase, MP8 HE engine with 445 horsepower. This truck's fresh from our detail department, has gone through our service, had oil change, filter change, DPF filter's been taken out, cleaned, that system's been inspected, been reinstalled, and is working as designed. This truck is a phenomenal truck. Would make an awesome truck for a first-time owner-operator, a farm truck, or a great addition to the fleet. This truck has 498,000 miles. It's a 70-inch sleeper. It has collision avoidance. Please give me a call, 336-663-2891. Thank you.